up, y'all? Just Little Jazz here, and today I'm coming to y'all with my newly found wash and go routine. So I've been doing like research on YouTube of like different YouTubers with my hair type, with like the same texture, and like see if their hair does the same thing that my hair does. So I found this YouTuber. Her name is Kimberly Sherrill. I'ma put her name down below. She's a big YouTuber and stuff. I love her. She's so funny. And so I've been watching her, and I've been seeing like how she's been doing her wash and go. So last night I tried it, and y'all, it turned out bomb as crap. Like, I wore it to work. That was my first time ever like wearing my natural curls like out, and it not getting all drawed up and dry and nappy and stuff. So I'm gonna try to follow the same steps that I did last night with the tips of Kimberly Sherrill. So y'all go hit her up and stuff like that. I really thank her because she has low porosity hair, and I found out that I have low porosity hair also. I'm gonna put the definition of low porosity hair across here, just so y'all can get a little bit more understanding, and I'll also put it down in the description box. Mostly like your hair, like the more like water sits on top of your hair, and it takes a while for your hair to absorb like the hair products and stuff. So yeah, it's like a lot of build up on top of your hair. The moisture and stuff doesn't seep into the your hair shaft and stuff. So I think that's what it is. I know that's what my hair does, and I know that's what Kimberly hair does. So I'm just going off what she's saying. I need to do a little bit more research on it, but that's what I got from it. So I washed and conditioned my hair. So I used the Cantu Shea Butter cleansing cream shampoo, and then I used the matching conditioner in the shower, and also I used the rice water. I used the Manuka honey hair mask by Shea Moisture. Also put some wild growth oil on my scalp and massaged my scalp with my scalp massager, and just went all around like that. After I put the rice water, the deep conditioner, and the wild growth oil, I just massaged my scalp a little bit just to like get it stimulated. I put a plastic cap over my head, and I let that sit in my hair for 20 minutes. So let that sit in my hair for 20 minutes, washed it out with hot water, put a plastic cap over my head, and wrapped my hair with a towel just so the heat can be still trapped inside with my hair. And we're at this point now. So one thing Kimberly said was to apply your products while you're in the shower and your hair running under hot water. That helps the products melt into your hair a little bit better, and your hair accepts the products better. But I'm not comfortable doing like on YouTube in the shower just yet. So she had an idea where you can put the plastic cap over your head and wrap your towel around, and it'll trap the heat in. So I'm just following that. Hopefully it turns out right with this, but yeah, we'll just see. And I also we'll just see. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take my hair down from the plastic cap, and like, so this is my hair like fully washed and stuff. Still a little bit of heat damage in the front, but it is growing out. I'm cutting it little by little, cutting the heat damaged ends off as it grows more and more. And in a little bit, like, all my hair would be like this curly. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk, and I'm gonna just spritz my hair down a little bit more. Section it off. And that part out the way. And just go through my hair with the Style Milk. take this side down and do the same thing, but I'm gonna go ahead and make my part so my hair can lay the way that I want it to lay with this, like so. Go ahead and apply the curl milk to this part of my head. Okay, so I applied the style milk, so now I'm going in with my Eco Gold. I stole my sister's because I ran out of mine, so I'm just gonna do the same thing, just applying it in sections. So I'm gonna start off with the front, and this is what's gonna give your curl definition. Okay, and to get rid of the crunchiness with the gel, I'm gonna just apply some jojoba oil throughout my hair. Just coat my hands with it and just go throughout my hair with it. Okay, so now I done applied all of the products. So now I'm gonna just let my hair air dry. Kimberly, she sits under a hair dryer, but I don't have mine. It's in back in Mobile. So I'm gonna just let my hair air dry and do its own thing. That's what I did last night, and it turned out bomb. So I will see y'all in like an hour or so. Bye. Okay, so I am back. This is my hair, and it's like 90% dry. It looks really good. You can tell in the front I have a little bit of heat damage that's trying to like heal and stuff. I cut off some of the ends and all that, so it's kind of, you know, it's growing back okay. I just gotta continue to keep the heat out of it. And then I put some light little jewels right here just to, you know, be on my yard type vibe. But yeah, this is my hair. It has dried, and where's my pick? I just used the pick. You're not gonna get as much volume on day one hair, but over here I really did get like the volume I like desire. I just take it and hold it like that and just stretch my roots out a little bit so my hair won't get too frizzy. And then in the back I want it like stretched out a little bit too. And then this side I'm gonna just keep it how it is because the curls are so pretty. But yeah, that is my wash and go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is up to 950 subscribers. So help your girl get to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. I am so close. I can feel it. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of February. Please, it is February 22nd. February ends in 6 days? Yeah, February ends in 6 days. Within these 6 days, y'all, get me up to 1,000 subscribers. Get me over 1,000 subscribers. Okay? I would really appreciate it. I got a huge surprise once I get to 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned.